Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Way to Transform Your Life series, part 71 here, another great principle that we're just diving into in this series. As we drive towards the end here, there's only like 30 parts away, so yeah. This part is pretty cool. I think it's like a good combat to the fear of criticism from Think and Grow Rich, this natural fear that we have of being criticized. He's saying with this part that we don't have to be so tied up in the good opinion of others, that when we know we're on a spiritual path, when we have that deep-centered belief that we're doing the right thing, we don't need others to tell us that we're doing good or we're doing bad or whatever. It doesn't matter. Because a lot of other people are naturally going to be critical. They're naturally just going to have this inclination that they need to criticize us and not praise us for what we do well. So whenever we do something well, they might not say anything. Whenever we do something they don't like, then they're just going to criticize us. So this will lead us down a negative path where we're never going to be able to achieve what we desire, what we want. We're just going to keep getting hit over and over and over again with that kind of stuff. And he's saying, well, we can just avoid that if we know from within, if we just have that kind of subconscious strength that says, I can do this, I am doing the right thing, everything is going to freaking work out. If we have that kind of sense from within, no matter what obstacles we face, no matter if things are going well or things are going terribly, this idea that we are going to make it through this and it's all just going to work out. When we have that belief from within, it doesn't matter what other people think. That's basically what I would take away from this one. I think this is a very strong principle, and I think we all have to use this one because so many people are so negative. They're always hating on us, and they're always saying, oh, you should have done this differently. And it's like, no, okay? We can do these things ourselves. We have the strength, we have the power from within, and we can use our subconscious mind to do that. That's what I would say is the big takeaway here from part 71, and definitely use this principle. I will see you guys next time with part 72, so stay tuned.